Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I am good. How are you?
Amazing. It's good to see you again.
Yeah, same here.
Very well. And how is your practice going on?
Yeah, my practice is going on. Actually, I took break for a while and now again I am on Clappingo.
Oh, that's very nice. So you used the break to learn English?
Yeah, actually I was in practice with some of my English buddy and some of my friends, and actually I was busy with my daily schedule with my school stuff. So that's why now I am free. So that's why I came back.
Okay, okay. Very nice. But since you've kept in touch with English and
Yeah,
still learned the language, I think it's good. As long as
yeah,
that
yeah,
is there, it's all good.
yeah. I am practicing in daily basis. So
Okay. Okay, very good.
yeah.
And tell me something that makes you the happiest part of your day.
Okay, so if every day what I do, I make some to-do list, what I
Mhm.
have to do in a day. And I try to complete all those particular work, what I have decided. So yeah. So if I achieve all those things, if I complete all those things, so it makes me happy. So it is a kind of achievement because
Mm.
you are planning for something and you are completing with in a stipulated time. So I think it is one of the
Which is one of the good things.
good things. Yeah,
Okay, very well. I understand that it gives you a sense of accomplishment. So it's a really good feeling when
yeah,
you just check everything, done, 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 done,
yeah. it is
satisfying.
it is. Yeah.
Okay. If you could read minds, what is the one thought of people that you would like to read or know about?
Okay, so read minds. So like what is their opinion in different thing? What is their opinion, like if they are broad minded, or if they are narrow minded, they are narrow minded people, or if they are whether they are broad minded or they are narrow minded people. So yeah, I always see what is their opinion.
Mm-mm.
So yeah.
Okay. Opinion on different things. Okay.
On different things, yes.
Or opinion in various matters.
Various matters, yes.
I think on is better. Opinion on different things.
On different things.
Okay. Or you
Yes,
can
yes.
also say perspective, a better word.
Perspective. Yes, perspective.
Okay.
Different perspective on the different matters.
Yes. Correct.
And
Okay.
their way of thinking, what they think, what is the way, what is their ways of thinking, and what is their perspective. So yeah, I I check,
Okay.
I observe all these things.
Ah, that's very good that you analyze, and you're a teacher, so it makes complete sense that you
Oh,
collect different sorts of different aspects and different perspectives just for
yes.
a better understanding, right?
Still you have remembered.
Yes, I do. I remember
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, very well. Um, is being happy and being successful the same to you?
Yeah, because if people are successful in their life, so at the point I can say they are happy in their life because they can fulfill all of their dreams, and something like something, yeah, like most of the things in their life they can fulfill, and they can make happy whosoever is surrounded them.
Okay.
So
Um, would you like to correct your phrase? They would like to make happy whosoever is surrounded them.
whosoever is surrounding them.
Okay. They would like to please people who are around them.
who are around them. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they would like to make happy is incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, please
Okay.
continue.
Yeah. So yeah. So I guess, yeah, if you are successful in your life, so in some point of time, in some aspect of life,
Mhm.
you would be the happiest person. And if you are not successful, so you are so you are also not happy, and whoever is around you, they are also not happy. They would be not happy after seeing you, because you are upset every time, you have lots of burden every time, you are tensed in your life. So I guess, yeah. So
Okay, is that why? Is that the reason that you're always smiling?
yeah, no, I
Okay,
don't know. No, I don't
okay,
think, because yeah.
because you have a very smiling face, you know. So I think, as they say, that it's contagious, smiling.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And one more thing, if you are satisfied in your life, because we all are human being, and we all are dissatisfaction, whether you are the richest person. Even I can say, I think Ambani is also yeah, Ambani is also not satisfied. He also want to come up with more and more projects. So I think, as a human being, we all are dissatisfied from our lives, our life, our lifestyle. So if you are satisfied, so then only you can be a success, you can be a happiest person, I guess. So I can say, I think no one is on this earth who is the happiest one, and who can say, I am very much happy, I am very happy.
Mm.
So yeah. So but one thing is there, if you are successful in your life, so in some aspect you can say, yeah, I am bit happy. So yeah, it is my opinion. I don't
Okay.
know whether it is correct or not.
No, there's never a right or wrong in questions like these, you know. It's just
Yeah.
that we all have been brought up differently.
Mm.
There are different factors that evolve and develop our thinking and our thoughts, right? So some people might think that, okay, fame, if you're famous, you're happy. Some people
Yeah.
might think if you're a billionaire, you might be happy. Some people will think that if you're just having like good food and like roof around your head and basic necessities, you're happy. So there's
Yeah.
no right answer, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. I think it is the question, like, you can share your opinion. You can share your opinion. What do you think?
Correct.
And yeah, because everyone's perspective, everyone's opinions are different from each other.
Correct. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I agree with you. But I do agree with some aspects of what you said also. That, you know, when you're successful, automatically you're happy because you would have achieved a lot of your goals and your dreams. And that's what makes you happy.
Yes,
And
yes.
so with people
This
around
is
you.
very practical question. So that's why what I think, I just share.
Okay, perfect. No worries. Perfect. Okay. Do you have any small business ideas? Like, suppose you were to start like a business.
Yeah, actually, earlier I mentioned with you. Earlier
Oh,
I told, yeah, earlier there was one topic. I am unable to recall the particular topic, but I shared with you, like, okay, so if I get chance, in if I get opportunity, and if I and actually, I want to start some small business that is about the stationery items. I told you earlier.
yes, yes, I remember this.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, because these are very necessary things for our life. I guess, yeah, this is very important. So if I plan, if I get opportunity, so I would like to I would like to invest some of my money into it.
okay, very well. And I did mention that I love stationery a lot.
Yeah, yes, you love arts and art and craft.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
like I will not waste any chance to go shop art materials. deals, you know, every time I will buy something. So yeah.
Yeah, I remembered.
Okay, very well. What are
Yeah.
the things that you're doing this year to improve yourself?
Yeah, so this year, I just I just made I just made wish with myself only, that I want to be fluent, and I want to learn this language. So yeah, as much as I can, I want to improve, and I want to upscale myself.
Okay. Are there any other professional course apart from Clapping Go that you are on, or studying, or just YouTube learning?
Yeah, yeah, YouTube is a very great source. So whenever I get my me time, so I try to utilize my that time to learn the various kinds of things on YouTube. And professional course, no, I am a private teacher, so I want to crack a government exam. So I am trying. So yeah, only this only. And nowadays I am just indulged to learn this language. So yeah,
Okay. And if you had more time, is there any other thing that you wish to learn?
I want to learn some different languages, because yeah, first,
Like?
but my first priority, like French. Yeah,
Okay, very well.
because
Fre-
yeah, I know three or yeah. First is my first language is Bangla, so that I know. Second is Hindi. English I am learning, and I understand so many languages like Odia and Punjabi as well. I understand Punjabi. Yeah, I can't speak,
Oh,
but yeah, I understand. Yeah.
okay. You told me you're learning Hindi as well now.
No. I know
Hindi, you
Hindi.
know. Okay, okay.
Yeah, I know Hindi. I am learning English only.
Okay, very
Yeah.
well. I think you'll be able to pick up fast. Don't worry about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, very well. So
Yeah.
what improvement or changes is the course, this learning of language bringing to you?
Actually, from since my school life, when I was in school, so I used to get good marks in this subject. But when I step in professional life, so that time I came to know, okay, speaking part is totally different. So when I started having conversation with other people, so then I got stuck, like there are many things behind in my mind, but I was unable to recall at the moment. So these things bring me in this platform, and I started learning this language as a spoken language. Yeah. Sorry, you are not audible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Many
Yes.
things in the back of my mind.
Many things in the back of my mind. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, very well. And now you're able to say it clearly, all of these things.
Yeah.
How does it feel? Feels good?
Yeah, it feels good, because every day I can see in myself only I am improving. And nowadays I one more thing, I started learning phrasal verbs, idioms, slangs, like so all these things. But earlier I was unaware about all like phrasal verbs. Yeah. So nowadays I started learning all these things. So it is, and I can see the confidence. I can see the confidence in myself.
Even I can see that since last time and now, I
Yeah.
can see that you just open up and speak everything that you want to. So it's so good to like see that, you know.
Thank you so much. Like, this compliment is coming from your side, so it means, yeah, I am improving. I am growing, I guess.
No, yes, I know that before you were a little shy.
Yeah. Actually,
Uh,
yeah.
yes, you were saying something.
No, actually, I was saying that was my first time. Actually, second time. So I was a bit nervous, and so
Oh, glad I can witness this whole transformation.
Oh, thank you so much.
Very well. It's good that you're learning even the different parts of grammar. A lot of us speak in English. Like me, I might be speaking fluently, but I don't necessarily know each part of grammar because I've learned it long back. So
Yeah.
high chances that I've just forgotten. And it's good that you're learning each single, each part. Some people just like to learn, but I think it's because
Yeah.
you're a teacher, you like to learn even the detailed aspects of it so you can teach somebody further,
Yeah,
right?
I can elaborate it. Yeah, I can. If someone asks me why you have used all these things, because in my school, teachers, they don't use phrasal verbs. So so yeah, sometimes if I use, so they ask why you have used this one. So I just tell them like what is the meaning of this and all these things.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
that's very nice to know.
Yeah, because in spoken language somehow we manage somehow, but all these things, like native speakers, they use these things in their advanced English. So I want to learn, and I am very fascinated towards this language, so that's why.
Okay, that is really brilliant that you take extra efforts to learn the parts of speech, to learn the roots of the word. Another thing I can do if you're so passionate about, another thing that I can recommend if you're so passionate about the language is that when you're trying to find the meaning of a language, okay, when you Google the meaning of a language, go a little below the meaning, you will find a chart. it
Okay.
it will tell you the timeline of
Mhm.
how frequent the word was used in the 1950s, in the 1900, in 2000, what's currently trending. Just a
Okay.
little below, you have the
Yeah.
structure of each word. So
Okay.
now Google has developed more of these extra things.
Mhm.
So I myself, that is how I study. So I go and I see what are the words currently more in usage. Sometimes what happens is we read these books, we see the dictionary, and we pick some words and try to use it. Not necessarily they are used frequently. Not
Yeah.
necessarily somebody else will understand what we're saying. What is the best thing to do? Google it, and below you will find the a mini timeline. It's very easy to understand. Okay, it's
Yeah.
just a very simple timeline, and the usage and also the root of the word with its place of birth, place of
Okay.
origin will be
Yeah.
given. All this is very simple and very interesting, like especially initially when you do have so much of interest to learn the language, when you are a teacher, when you're trying to teach somebody, it's really good to know.
Okay. Okay. I will definitely do it.
Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
I use this very often, and it's fun.
Yeah.
So to just play with these words, so you can try that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What
Yes.
I
What?
do, yeah, what I do, like I just search word in Google. I just type in Google, and after that, I just check whether it is noun or whether it is adjective or verb. I can understand easily. So yeah. After that, what is the meaning of it? Then
Hmm.
that only. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. But the other thing that you should also do is learn to put it in context.
Context. Yes.
What happens is a lot of people will see the word, write
Yeah.
down the meaning in some book, and
Mhm.
try to use it some other day.
Yeah.
Now, that is a very incomplete way of learning the
Mhm.
particular word. Then and there, you read it with the examples,
Yeah.
okay, with the examples, and try to utilize in the context. Otherwise, you
Context.
will get very confused further
Yeah.
in as you keep advancing in different languages. There'll be this thin line of difference between all the words and synonyms. You
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
be unable to figure it out if you don't go it in the right way.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Okay, so
I
just try these little things, make
little
corrections in
thing.
your practice.
Okay.
It'll be helpful. Just below the meaning of what you have been learning, all this
Mhm.
information that I told is there.
Okay. Okay.
Just try
Mhm.
today, okay? Just try
Yeah.
meaning of angry.
Angry. Okay. After this session, I will try definitely.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So how important do you think is self-improvement? Why is it important?
Yeah, it is important because self improvement is very much important. So in this way we can figure out, uh, figure out like how we are growing, how we were earlier, and to and how where we are today. So for the graph, like for the learning graph, that is very much important. Self improvement is very much important, because I think this is why we are human being, for learning something new every day. We are learning something new. We are supposed to learn something new. So maybe that's why, yeah, so that's why I think in my life self improvement it is very necessary thing. Because if we do same thing, like this, if we spend that monoton if we spend monotonous life every day, so what is the thing, like what is the purpose of this life if we don't grow, if we don't grow in each single day? So what is the purpose? Like after that we will realize it is monotonous day, it is monotonous life. So I think self improvement is necessary, self improvement is important. And I think every individual, they should do something new, they should learn something new for their self improvement.
Very good. I loved every word that you said. It is nice to see your motivation, and to see how motivated you are. And also, I'll just suggest a few words that you could have used. Okay. So
Okay.
in the same thing, you can say that, stagnant, or being stagnant, makes us very, very makes us feel very bad. It's not good for us. It's bad
Stagnant.
for us. Being
Okay,
stagnant
so
is bad
being
for us.
stagnant. Okay,
Yes.
so could you tell me the meaning of stagnant? Like busy? No, boring.
Stagnant is when you don't grow. You're just here.
Okay, okay.
And that's what you meant. That when we're just here, when we, so it's correct when you told that monotonous life is like bad, but the more correct word, what you wanted to give the meaning of, is being stagnant.
Stagnant.
When you
Okay.
don't grow, when
Yeah.
you're just over there, when you're lying in the same place, that is called being stagnant. So it is bad for
Stagnant.
us. It is
Okay.
unhealthy for us, being stagnant. Okay.
Being stagnant. Okay.
Yes. And when you say spend a monotonous life, you say live a monotonous life.
Live a monotonous life.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not
Okay.
good to live a monotonous life.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And instead of learning graph, learning curve.
Learning curve. Okay.
Okay. Yes. So these are some changes in whatever it, again, see, this is where the context matters a lot.
Yes.
They're
Yes.
all the similar words. Whatever you use, they're not incorrect. But
Okay.
the more correct words would be these, the ones that I mentioned. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay. I'm glad I could just immediately tell you the impact of it.
No. It's okay. Okay.
Okay.
We learned lots of things today. I learned lots of things today.
I'm glad. I'm glad you did. Okay. So I just want to give you a feedback before we proceed. Okay.
Yeah.
You speak really well right now. Okay. Like it's good, it's fluent, the way you're presenting your thoughts. You're able to not just construct sentences, but also give me all of your opinions, like fluently. It flows, your conversation. It's good. There's some tiny errors in that. Like when you say in some point of time, at some point of time, we all are dissatisfaction. We all are dissatisfied.
Dissatisfied. Yeah.
Correct?
Dissatisfied.
So you know these things, but maybe when we're speaking, because you cannot concentrate on everything at once, giving your opinions, framing the sentences correctly, etc.
And because and one of the thing, because I know you are expertise in this language, so sometimes it happens.
No, don't worry
Yeah.
about it.
If you
I'm not. But it's just that I have too much practice. I've been only speaking in English throughout my life. So,
okay.
I mean, I speak to speak in English even with my dad. So,
Yeah.
so you see,
That's great.
that's
You
just the
have
thing.
this environment, but we don't have this environment. So
Don't worry, my mom doesn't know English, so I speak to her in Hindi.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't worry. It will be fine with the flow. You feel like I'm like always correct, but I make a lot of mistakes. If you see the video again, you will know I made at least 3 errors. Okay, so don't worry about it. You'll get there soon. Just concentrate on these different ways, and every time that you are learning or practicing, let's say you're training, try to make changes in your training, because your training is what will reflect the way you speak, right? If we
Mhm.
learn in the wrong way, we will speak in the wrong way. So
Yeah.
your methods, keep changing your methods.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
even with teaching, I do that. I teach everybody differently 10 different times, just to test myself as to which is the correct method. We have to test 10 methods, only then we'll know what suits us, right?
Yeah.
I do that even on Clappingo. I teach in one way, then I teach on another way, then I teach in another way. Which suits the best, I take that forward. You must do that too when you're learning, right? Now
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know that context really matters a lot. What is the next thing? Context.
Context.
Because you're learning the meaning of every single word so correctly, so precisely. Try to probably see the difference between try to Google a simple word. Okay, anger
Anger.
or
Okay.
angry. You will find multiple words. You'll find like 10
Synonyms.
words,
Yeah.
synonyms.
Yeah.
Excuse me. In that, you try to make out the difference between each synonym.
Yeah, we can't use all the words like in different contexts. We can use different synonyms.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So what happens, like for example, anger, and then there's frustrated. What is the difference between anger and frustrated? Try to see what is the combination that makes it. You don't have to do this every time, but once you do it for one word, you will automatically understand how other synonyms work and what is the extent of difference.
Yeah.
Correct?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
just for one word, simple. Always start with simple. That's when your basics become strong. So don't Google a complicated word. Do it for a simple word that you are aware of. Then go to other things.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Very well. So any questions that you have for me? Anything that you want me to help you with?
So just now you said, like in earlier I just searched in over Google, so their pronunciation option is also there. So it is synonyms or synonyms?
Synonyms.
Synonyms. Okay. Okay, but okay.
British and American pronunciation
Yeah, two
are
pronunciation
different.
is there.